Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging radical equation for the real values of x. So let's get started. We have a square root in right hand side. So this must be non-negative. So x should be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be negative. Now we'll be squaring our equation. Now we can cancel a square root with a square in right hand side. So we have x square in LHS and 2 plus fifth root of x power 10 minus 82 in RHS. Now we will take fifth root to the LHS. We can write equation x square minus fifth root of x power 10, which we can write x square whole power 5 minus 82. This must be equal to 2. Now we can assume x square equal to, suppose a. For x to be real, a should be non-negative. So greater than or equal to 0. Now we will write our equation a minus fifth root of a power 5 minus 82 equal to 2. Now I can take this minus sign into this radical. So we will write a plus fifth root of 82 minus a power 5 equal to 2. Now let us assume fifth root of 82 minus a power 5 equal to b. So our equation will become a plus b equal to 2. Let's say this is our first equation. And our substitution is fifth root of 82 minus a power 5. This is equal to b. Now we will raise power 5 both sides. So we will write power 5 in LHS, power 5 in RHS. Fifth root and power 5 will be over from left hand side. So we will write 82 minus a power 5 equal to b power 5. We can take minus a power 5 to the RHS. So equation will become a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 82. Equation number 2. Now we have new system of equations. A plus b equal to 2. A power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 82, which we have to solve for a and b. I'll be using algebraic identities to find a square plus b square and a cube plus b cube. So I can write here formula a plus b whole square minus 2 times ab. Let's assume a times b, suppose equal to u. So we can write a square plus b square will become a plus b is 2, so 2 square minus 2 times u, which will be equal to 4 minus 2u. So we have a square plus b square, 4 minus 2u. Now we will find a cube plus b cube. Using algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. A plus b is 2, so 2 cube minus 3 times ab is u, a plus b is 2. We'll take 2 common out. So in the bracket we will get 4 minus 3u. This is the value of a cube plus b cube. 2 times 4 minus 3u. Now we are going to multiply these two equations. So in RHS there will be 2 times 4 minus 2u times 4 minus 3u, and in LHS a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube. Let's write a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube equal to 4 minus 2u times 2 times 4 minus 3. Now we'll multiply term by term. A square with a cube, a power 5. B square with b cube, b power 5. Cross product terms. A cube b square plus a square b cube. So we will take ab whole square common, which is a square b square. So in bracket we will get a plus b equal to 2 times 4 minus 2u times 4 minus 3u. Now a power 5 plus b power 5 is 82. Equation number 2. A plus b is 2. A times b is substitution u. So we will write LHS 82 plus 2 times u square equal to 2 times 4 minus 2u times 4 minus 3u. Now our equation is divisible by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. 2 over 2 will become 1. 82 over 2 will be 41. 2u square over 2 u square. In right hand side we'll expand. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times minus 3u minus 12u minus 2u times 4 minus 8u minus 20u. Minus 2u times minus 3u 6u square. We'll take all the terms to one side. We will write 5u square minus 20u minus 25 equal to 0. Equation is divisible by 5. So we will get u square minus 4u minus 5 equal to 0. We have one quadratic equation which we can factorize easily in u plus 1 times u minus 5. So I can write u plus 1 times u minus 5 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get either u equal to negative 1 or u equal to 5. Now u was our substitution a times b. So I can write ab equal to negative 1 and ab equal to 5. Now we have equation 1 over here. A plus b equal to 2. From this equation, I will find b in terms of a. So b will be 2 minus a, which we are going to apply over here and here. We will get a times 2 minus a equal to minus 1. So we will write a square minus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. We can use completing the square method. So I will write here a square minus 2a in LHS, and I will take minus 1 to the RHS. So it will become plus 1. Now we have to add 1 to both sides to get one perfect square in left hand side, which will be a minus 1 whole square. And in right hand side we have 2. After taking a square root both sides, we will get a minus 1 equal to plus minus root 2. Now we have to add 1 to get the values of a. So 1 plus minus square root of 2. There will be two a values. A equal to 1 plus root 2 and a equal to 1 minus root. Now there is one condition on a for x to be real. That is, a should be non-negative. So on this ground, we will reject 1 minus root 2 as it is negative. So we are going to accept a equal to 1 plus square root 2. Now we have second equation, ab equal to 5. Using b equal to 2 minus a, we can write this equation a times 2 minus a equal to 5. Or we'll get quadratic in a square minus 2a plus 5 equal to 0. We'll find discriminant of the equation d equal to b square minus 4 times ac. Here b is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 20. So we have discriminant negative 16. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject AB equal to 5 as we are looking for real solutions. So AB equal to 5 would be rejected. We have A equal to 1 plus square root 2. Let me write here A equal to 1 plus square root 2. Now A was our substitution. It was x square equal to a. So in place of a, we will write x square equal to 1 plus square root 2. Now we have to take square root both sides. So we will write plus minus sign in right hand side. So square root 1 plus square root 2 with plus minus sign. Now we will cancel square root with square. So we have x equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus square root of 2. I will write x1 equal to with plus sign square root 1 plus square root 2, and I will write x2 with minus sign square root 1 plus square root 2. Now we have condition on x. We have square root in right hand side. So x must be non-negative. So we are going to reject x2 as x2 is negative. So we have only one real solution. It is square root 1 plus square root 2. Let me write here x will be square root of 1 plus square root, the only real solution for our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.